Hello kids, today we will learn a sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action for a sound. We will listen to a song for a sound. We will learn some words for a sound and we will do some activities together. So let's start. First, we will learn formation and action. I want you now to put your finger up and repeat after me. Round, up, down and flick. It's so easy. Now we will learn the action for the sound. Wiggle your fingers up your arm as if ants are crawling on you and say ah, ah, ah. Now, let's sing the song together and try to make the action with the song.
Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
And now, we will learn some words for a sound. We have apple, apple, ant, ant, alligator, alligator, arrow, arrow, astronaut, astronaut, ambulance, ambulance. And now it's activity time. Activity number 1. Listen to the story and try to remember the words with a sound.
The Smith family is having a picnic. They spread out a big picnic blanket and lay all their food on it. Adam unpacks the apples and Annie helps to make the jam sandwiches. As they start eating, Annie rubs her arm. "Something is tickling me," she says. "Something is tickling me too," says Adam, eating his apple. All of a sudden, Annie shouts, "Ah, ah, ah, ah." They all look at Annie and see some ants crawling up her arm. Everyone jumps up quickly. There are ants everywhere. "Oh dear," says Dad. "We must have put the blanket over an ant's nest." They pack up their things and move to a nicer spot.
Activity number 2. Click the pictures that begin with a sound. We have apple, yes, alligator, ant, astronaut, and the last word is acronym. Activity number 2. Click the pictures that begin with a sound. We have apple, alligator, astronaut, ant, and the last word is anchor. And this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.